it. 3 rolls.
That might take guys. I think I of that. That might of
3. I had to exchange this to 3 crowns because the other one is quite expensive and I don't really like it. But this one, there is nothing inside, but it's okay, sha. Maggi, sweet corn, also mega sardine. The tomato, you haven't brought it. Got 4 of this sardine. That's the price 1 roll. I got this for 1 roll. That's what your daddy gave us. So you have not bought half of it. You have not bought. But that one no full. Oh. I think what you just do now. You see your gari is how much?
Yellow or white?
White, yellow.
Yellow 130. Huh?
Too much. There's nothing I can do. I have family. But that's not the full. Oh. What is this thing, Gary? Eh?
Huh?
What are they bringing for you, Gary? Okay.
That's not 70,000.
Are you serious? So if I go village now, go they do Gary they bring for you, huh? I'm a farmer. Oh.
It depends now. If your guy is okay, why
Even
not?
even me, I want to start selling. Are you serious? Is it nice? Look now, wear it and see yourself very well. Sorry, yeah. Alright. But this one can still enter here, it can't.
Yes, we
It can't. Let's see now. We should have opened that door. It cannot enter. If you enter, that means I'm not going to be like it can't enter, sha. Let's see. I don't want to scatter that carton.
So there's the washing side.
Okay, it's not big that much, but it's okay. And this is small. Oh, this one is too small.
7.5. Okay, 10.
This is the
clothes,
inside.
like 12. 10 minimum. 12
This is small.
maximum.
And this is small. It's okay now. It's not like 10 clothes. It's small. I know what I'm saying. You know that
Yes,
it has
yeah,
bigger one. This is the
7.5
kg. They have bigger one of it. But it's nice. I love it. At least it's portable. That's one thing I like. Like you can lift and you can. Yeah. Okay. So how do we connect it? But we need pole. We need like
the bowl.
a bowl for it. For your, it's not even a bowl.
To drain the water.
We need like
There's drainage.
Yeah.
There's space outside.
So
See, we are not doing it here first. Put it
Just
out.
test it.
Let's just test. No, that thing is already stuck with something. Use this extension.
You sure?
I think that's the one
Bring one
that.
extension from inside.
Should I put it close? Okay.
Bring one plate.
But we need that thing to go out instead
No,
of.
don't worry first.
Okay, when you want to drain.
Yes.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's not.
Like,
Oh yeah. You can still cover it. Okay, 15 minutes maximum.
Yes, it is automatic.
Yeah. It's automatic?
Yes, it will off when it gets to the final point by itself. By itself.
Wow.
No.
Just like that, yeah. That's it. Oh, this is cute. It's nice. So it's working. Okay, this one is drain.
Yeah, no, it's been draining here.
Okay, this one is spin. When you want to.
When you want to return it back.
Okay.
Because one after the other, when
Okay.
it is washing, this one cannot work.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But the draining part is working for the both of them.
Then.
When washing, after washing, we can drain it.
Okay.
Then while while spinning it, it is still drilling.
Okay.
Drilling out the water.
No problem. Voila. Thank you so much. You guys tried. I love it. Yeah, it's washing.
It's coming down.
Okay. So once you get here,
Yes,
off.
it will off.
Okay.
See my brother
Can't
eyeglass.
reduce this volume. Off it, off the volume. Okay. See, I got eyeglass for Kamsi. Okay, I'm coming.
You got it, you never go with it now tomorrow.
The cutting.
My own eyeglass.
I got eyeglass for them.
Sharp, it's nice.
I got
You can
this
see
one
what-
for me. See your watch.
I said to didn't like it.
Don't you like it? Eh?
And I love it.
Don't you like it?
Don't worry.
Then why are you not showing appreciation now?
Say thank you, Mr. and thank you, ma.
See the way you look at Mesoma, like you cannot tell Mesoma thank you. Is it not Mesoma that also chooses for you? See me, see
And
what
this
allow.
eyeglass. My earring.
Your earring, not earring. Which one is earring? This is for me. All these are
My
for me.
mom.
I got Dr. Rachel syrup, face syrup. Also, Sensodyne for myself. This one is just for personal use. I will get my own. I don't want to be using the same thing with you. I just want to try this to know if it will work for my face. Okay, because I don't have money to be buying all these expensive things for now.
Sorry.
No problem. Can't reduce that thing now. I also got this for myself. I don't even understand all this thing that Malan gave me, but the last thing that he gave me really works, so I'm going to still try this. Miss Ma did not have watch. The only thing she got is earring. Put on that watch, the spec. Oh, I like it on you. Oh, this is cute. Come, let me remove that label. Oh, I really like it on you. Look at me now. You're looking at me somehow with that your nonsense face. See this guy. Eh? He's nice. He's really nice. He's really nice. See me somehow. See Mweke. Mweke. Stay one place now. Let me video you very well. To that point. What's this? Let me see. Bring your hand. Put your eyeglass now. Give me your hand. Let me put this thing on. You need to see how it's, whether it fits your hand. Is it tight? Should I make it tight again?
Set him the time.
Eh?
You set the time.
Is it okay? Do you like it?
Set the time.
Let me see your hand. It's fine, but you like it? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, so I bought watch for you now. I'll set your time later.
Don't worry. All of us.
I'll set your time later.
Smartwatch.
It fits you, honestly. It really fits you. Come. On Sunday, you wear it to church. Hey guys, good afternoon guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Guys, I'm just coming back from the market, and also we got a new reduce that in now. We got a new can't you reduce it? We got a new washing machine, and also I got some things for my face and for the house. Honestly, can't see, reduce it. You are disturbing me. Mesoma, reduce that thing now. Honestly, if I knock your head, that's when you understand. Guys, honestly, I went to the market to 140k and none came back with me. I don't even know what is going on in the market anymore. Tomato right now is a thing that all of us need to gather and do, you know, and protest for, because tomatoes, how can we be buying one petal of tomato for 15,000 naira? Today I was able to see someone that sold 7k for me with that bag. Like I was begging her to sell sell that tomato for 7k for me. I'm coming, baby.
Come, let's check it.
Check what? I'm coming. Sell it for 7k for me. Like, it's crazy. Nigeria, I don't know if we're going to survive this, but with God's mercy and God's grace by our side, we're all gonna survive. So I want to quickly break my fast, because my fasting is, my church is fasting. We started fast on Monday, so today is the last day of the fast, and I'm also going to the market, Coastal Market, to go buy a cracker for my cakes. Okay, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Let me go and check the washing machine, because we are testing it, so let's go and do that together. But yeah, we don't wash finish. Maybe leave it now, it's still going, but we are done. We want to try this one now. Let me see how this one goes.
Get clean water, bro.
No, I beg, no use this water. Can you put this water out? This is raining water, yeah. It's very important. Put that for any bucket there. Thanks. Now it has off. So now this one, I'm going to put this one like this.
No.
You just drained.
So where will I put this one?
Wait, me connect that draining pipe, bro.
You don't connect that.
You don't connect them there now. So now I will put it here, and the water will drain. Wow, seriously. Okay. This is nice. Oh my god, it's nice.
But this soap is too much.
Bye bye. I still want to cut his hair. You want to have a haircut? Let me see how you look after cutting your hair. He just finished cutting his hair. Turn your back. Wow, the hair is so clean. The guy really tried. Turn front. Aww. Good afternoon. We don't want, yeah? Thank you. No, I don't want. Don't dash me, yeah? Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi guys. How are you guys? So we are heading to Coastal Market. We want to go and buy cookery for this nothing here, for this girl here. Let me not call her name. For this girl and also for my son, and yeah, we'll definitely show you guys all the things that we do at Coastal Market. Here is very noisy, so I'll talk to you later. It didn't go down. Now, do you like it? I like it. I don't know. Let's see. What's the other one? Where is the other blue one that I gave you? Where is? Test it too. Let's see. But the waist. Oh no, it's jump up. It jump up. Maybe. I don't have money. Sorry. This is nice. It's really nice. Oh, I love it. Aww. So you now have trousers. Is this for her? That will be long. The length is what you should be looking at. Miss I pull it. It's nice. Let's see. Is it not okay for you? Zip it. Zip it now. You wear it and be going to church. Turn your back. Turn, let's see. Wow. See your nyash that you don't have is that. It's very fine. No, it's fine. The length is also okay. It's fine. I like it. Just remove it. Remove it. Let me see that one. Is it long? Let me see.
This one is fine. Wait, now here, where is that? Let me check trouser here.
Not be my clothes that they pack.
No.
This clothes, okay.
Not be your clothes. Your
Not your clothes. Yeah, start just selecting it there.
See how this girl. See this clothes. Bring this clothes. This that girl wear fat.
Be
And the moment
try.
there for you, not select.
No.
First of, if you see dark blue, she needs dark blue for one of her sons.
Got my hair now.